I hope everybody enjoyed our visit with Michael Lindsay. What an extraordinary percussionist he is, and what a fascinating thing to hear about how different music making is in India from so much of what we see in the United States. I know that you're working on analyzing the harmonies in Nina, and I just wanted to make sure everybody understood. We're going to write the pop chord symbols above the staff, or above all three staffs, and put the Roman numeral analysis below. So I'm going to try to hold this up really close so you can see. There we go. Okay. So you see at the beginning, and we did this in class on Monday, we're in the key of G minor. We've labeled that. We've got the two G's in the left hand of the piano, and we see the B flat and D, and G and D in the eighth notes in the right hand of the piano, and the D in the solo part that I've been playing on the cello, and this is written actually in the violin octave. So we've figured out that those three notes together make a G minor chord, and there's a G in the bass, so that's in root position. On the fourth beat, instead of having a B flat and D's and in the notes other than the bass, we've got C's and G's, and then there's an E flat, which you'll see on your own part, and I think you can see a little bit better right now, okay, up there. And so that means it's got C, E flat, and G. Those are the notes of a C minor chord, which is the 4 chord in G minor, and with the G in the bass, that means it's in the second inversion, or it's the 6/4 chord. So we go along like that, and every time the notes change enough to indicate another chord, we write another chord symbol. As long as it seems to be the same chord, we keep it the same way. And then if there are places that don't seem to fit or are confusing, and in this measure here, for instance, we talked in class, circle things that don't seem to fit. That's what we often do in analysis, and then we say things are non-chord tones or non-harmonic tones, and we give them different names. For now, all we want to do is kind of identify that it's not part of the chord or not part of a chord that you understand. Okay, so I will see you in class tomorrow, and have a good night.